Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we pick up where we left off about 2 years ago with promising building a Barra for the Valiant. Although we're not putting in the VE, we're putting in the VG Wagon. So for this motor originally, I'm just starting off with a BF gas motor bottom end and head. Head's been fully serviced. It's got new valve springs, guides, valve stem seals, also got Kelford 218B cams in it, atomic heavy duty timing chain kit, a few other goodies. We've got a atomic Sump Gurdle on there, and then we've also got some titanium studs on the intake and the exhaust. I've got a 6 boost, I've got to cut this up, make it fit. I've got a G40 1150, I've got a custom alley welding intake manifold that I have to fit on this as well. So a lot of fab work to be done. The engine itself is literally ready for covers. I've got the covers sitting just outside the view right now, all powder coated up, ready to go, and the sump has actually been clear ceramic coated so that it won't corrode or rust in the future, which will be nice. Past that, I'm going to literally start banging this thing together, put the covers on it, seal it up, and go from there.
it's all the same. Like some things